everybody, I'm Marcel, and if you've been following Tyger for a while, you know that we work very hard to constantly update our running board lineup with new and exciting designs. And today, I'm extremely delighted to demonstrate Tyger Auto's newest flagship step, the Star Strider. Star Strider's patent-pending seamless W-tube design effectively combines the safety of a drop step with the utility of an elevated center step. Tyger spent years perfecting the details of the Strider to make sure it's the best-looking two-tier step in the marketplace. Installation is very simple, so sit tight and let's get into it. Before we start, go over the installation manual to make sure that all the parts are accounted for and lay out the brackets to see the letters to match their locations. We start off from the driver's side rocker panel. Locate the mounting area right here and install the front bracket like this. For the Tacoma, you may also need to install the support bracket at the bottom, so go ahead and do that right now. Keep the brackets loose until we make the final adjustment with this step. Now we move to the center location. Go ahead and install the center bracket as well. After that, find the rear mounting location and then install the rear bracket. After we're done with the brackets, take the driver's side Strider and attach it to the brackets. Start leveling and adjusting the step, and then tighten all the hardware once you're happy with the alignment. Now do the same for the passenger side Strider, and you're all done. Thank you for watching, and if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, go ahead and hit your subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so we can bring you guys more Tyger Auto demos.